Here's my go-kart. Thought I'd show you guys how she looked on the outside. She used to be ugly. She used to have the Hyundai paint job. Let me tell you about the Hyundai paint job. Here's my other Hyundai. I have two Hyundais. Well, the other one's a Hyundai Santa Fe. Santa Fe, and the paint is just going crazy. It's starting to rust through down here, but she's looking in really rough shape. It's like that all the way around. Now the same thing with the Accent. The Accent was terrible. So I repainted, and I started to do this. I did this quarter panel, I did the hood, repainted, I did the roof, and I did this whole side too. Oh, I gotta replace this one piece of trim down there. I took the body molding off of there to paint, and I'm just waiting to get new clips. I broke a bunch of clips, and I'll get into that. Let's get back to you. Get you a good look. I did do some painting. I painted the trunk. Which was terrible. So the beautiful thing, I was able to debadge it. I took off the Hyundai and I took off the Accent, and that bumper was terrible too, as well. Now I work right next to these guys that do woodwork, so my car's covered in sawdust right now. But I do want to show you. Don't look at the. Oh man, it's dusty. But you can get an idea. She's in beautiful shape. Never been in an accident. A couple of dings and dents here and there, but it's been about 4 years since I painted it, and I can see that we've got a couple of spots, especially on that bumper, that are going to need to be touched up a little bit. Unless I put a kit on this, I want to fix this up into a rally car actually. But she's bare bones stock, little 5-speed. And let's talk about the things that I'll redo that. Let me show you the plastic that they use in this thing. And it's this gray plastic, and it turns white, and it gets really, 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 really brittle. And I'll show you this side. Really brittle. So that's an example. I got the door panel off, and you can see it's just white and chalky, and it's just nasty. But what I wanted to show you about this plastic, even up here with my window thing, it broke. Well, the little clips here break, but then the little swivel points completely break. I just put a piece of wire in there just to kind of help me for the time being. But here's the other handle. You can really just see how the plastic was. It's just crap. So, speaking of plastic, was the dashboard. Great song came on, and I started banging on the dashboard playing air drums, and the whole dashboard just completely cracked and broke. And I just kept playing drums, and I broke it all the way across. It's cracked right here. I just got some filler in there to kind of. But so my next project is going to be to rebuild a dashboard somehow. Now, I also have a wood shop here, thin, tiny strips that are flexible. Is to make a new wooden arch here. Arch it down. Up. She's still alive. What do we got there? Yeah, 109,000 miles. Stock wheels, I hate them. I'd love them to get me just some black spoke wheels. My video got 2 dislikes recently. 2 dislikes pretty much on the same day. It's probably from a bunch of people that worked at a Hyundai dealer. I know you guys like the Hyundai, and we'll talk more about it later.